Life as a car owner can be full of little mishaps, things that aren't your fault, and occasionally things that are. We've all been there. With Smart Protect, you're covered for minor scuffs, dents, scratches and chips, so you can stop worrying about what if. If the unexpected happens, making a claim is simple. First, check that the bodywork repair would be covered and fits within a 15-centimetre circle. One call to our customer service team is all it takes to confirm your claim. No forms, no photographs, no websites, no complications. You'll talk to a human being. Our technician will then contact you to arrange a time and place for the repair that suits you. And you'll receive a call the day before we're due to arrive to reconfirm arrangements. Our smart repairer will make a full assessment of the damage to be repaired. Then they'll get to work straight away. Using specialist smart technology, they'll return your car to showroom condition, with the minimum of fuss and inconvenience. Thousands of satisfied customers have now taken advantage of our easy, convenient and high-quality service. But don't take our word for it. Here's what our customers have to say. For added peace of mind, each repair is guaranteed for 3 years. And don't forget, it won't affect your no claims bonus. Chips, dents, light scratches and scuffs, all covered.